कुछ नहीं बताया डिले का, आपने रीजन इनफैक्ट कुछ नहीं बताया.
చిన్నారి తల్లి నా నింగి జాబిలి నీవెన్నెలంది వెలుగొందుతోంది నా గుండెలోగిలి నీ ఊసులోనే ఉసురాడుతోంది నన్న ఊపిరి కాలాలు దాటి ఏనాటికైనా చేరాలి నీ దరి ఎన్నాళ్ళు ఉన్నానంటూ ఏకాకి మాదిరి ఆరారి రారో 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 ఆరారి రారో 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 చిన్నారి తల్లి నా నింగి జాబిలి నీవెన్నరంది వెలుగొందుతోంది నా గుండెలోగిలి కను చివరన జారే తడి చినుకును సైతం సిరి తళుకుగా మార్చే చిత్రం నీవే కలతగ పొలమారే ఎదమంటల గ్రీష్మం సులువుగా మరిపించే మంత్రం నీవే నువ్వంటే నా సొంతమంటూ పలికింది మమకారం ఆ మాట కాదంటూ దూరం నిలిపింది అహంకారం తలవాచి నువ్వలా ఒడిలోన వాలగా నిండు నూరేళ్ల లోటు తీరిపోదదే క్షణాన చిన్నారి తల్లి నా నింగి జాబిలి నీవెన్నరంది వెలుగొందుతోంది నా గుండె
IR bracket में if any shall remain in operation till next कर दीजिए कॉमन 44 में कॉमन ऑर्डर कर दीजिए कॉमन
చిన్నారి తల్లి
I would like to make a mention, madam, there was a for legal substitution of legal air that was allowed, madam.
in which case
In Faridul Khan, that
no, item number
item number one injury point, madam.
44 point कॉमन ऑर्डर कर दीजिए कॉमन what is your prayer
చిన్నారి తల్లి
Carried out the petition. I would like to make a mention, madam, there was
but it is not dismissed therefore it is listed today
madam,
in which case
in Faridul Khan, that
no, item number
item one to be carried out, one injury.
you have not carried out
That amendment.
44 point कॉमन ऑर्डर कर दीजिए कॉमन श्री झा विराज झा प्रेस फॉर 44 point कॉमन ऑर्डर कर 10 days time to carry out the amendment which was allowed on the previous date list with connected matters कॉमन ऑर्डर के बाद लिस्ट में WP करके इतना और लिख लीजिएगा WP 8782 और 14
Serial number 45.
Roll of petition appeal roll of Shri Mayank Srivastava for the appellant Shri Ajay Mehta for the respondent. IA number 3207 of 23 seeking withdrawal of appeal is taken up and in absence of opposition Vama allowed appeal is dismissed as withdrawn. Record be sent back.
Serial number 46.
Shri Jay Shukla for the appellant. None for the respondent. Registry is directed to prepare a note about service on respondent list after 2 weeks.
Serial number 47.
None for the appellant adjourned. You have to cure the default and you should be alert. That is another default that you are sitting in the court and not alert.
No,
Is it not a default?
What has been proved, my lord, I am saying that it should be given.
Three,
Abhijit Shah.
Abhijit Srivastava submits that default has been cured. Registry may verify. List in the week commencing.
My lord, it may kindly be on 15th of March.
Why, you are a local council?
No, because outstanding council has to.
Outstanding council.
Outstation council.
Okay.
Sorry, sir.
List as spread list on 15th of March. आपने एप्लीकेशन लगाई एक्सटेंशन ऑफ टाइम टू क्योर डिफॉल्ट.
My lord, that is a long time back.
Thereafter you have cured it. आइए नंबर इसमें से लिखिएगा. In view of this statement, आइए नंबर 4218 of 22 stands disposed of.
Serial number 48.
As spread by Shri, adjourned for a week. Next.
Serial number 49.
Which is the highest seeking release of investigated. Another one seeking for state IA because of
Shri
Kartik Jaggi.
Kartik Jaggi seeks to withdraw IA 13814 of 22. Shri A.N. Gupta ji has no objection. IA is dismissed as withdrawn. इसमें डिले भी है. You 49.
But there is a delay of 10 days.
49 में.
Yes.
So there is no application for condonation of delay.
My lord, I have filed application for condemnation. Same as IA number 1338.
Delay का कोई objection भी नहीं है. When did you file that application?
My lord, 6/11/22.
In this case, notices have been issued.
My lord, it seems that the IA has been allowed.
When it was allowed?
So it was decided. It was allowed on.
I is allowed. इसीलिए वो नहीं है रजिस्ट्री में. इसलिए why you are pressing IA? It is already allowed.
Yes,
Yes.
Serial number 50.
he is not denied from that's why.
We keep it after 2 weeks. The appellant joined for the appellant, awaiting appearance of the respondent. List after 3 weeks. Registry shall prepare a note regarding service on respondent.
Serial number 51.
Shoot on large data sharing.
It's the same order.
Delay is also controlled by lordship, it is not mentioned in order. 19 days delay is pointed out by the registry.
If it is not mentioned in the order, how can you say it is condoned?
It is no violation in the light of Bombay High Court judgment lordship.
Yes.
And lordship no
There is no IA for condonation of delay.
ignoring of default lordship. IA number 2350.
But registry has not prepared, raised any objection about delay. 19 days.
Yes,
19 days. इसमें नोटिसेस हो गए, ऑलरेडी हो गए.
yes, lordship.
आने दीजिए उनको. Weeks awaiting service, public appearance. Registry shall prepare a note regarding service.
Serial number 52.
And after possible that directed to make to the full bank business, what is full business?
Withdraw with the liberty to file appropriate proceeding. The case commencement seeks to withdraw this first appeal with the liberty to file appropriate proceedings. Prayer allowed. Appeal is dismissed as withdrawn with the liberty prayed for. The certified copy of impugned judgment be provided to appellant on supplying photocopy of the same.
Serial number 53.
Your client has filed some application for withdrawal. You have filed. Okay. Shri Manoj Mishra for the appellant, Shri such and such, IA number 4925 of 23, seeking withdrawal of appeal by appellant through jail superintendent, central jail is taken up. That in absence of opposition, IA is allowed, appeal is dismissed as withdrawn. The registry shall send this order to appellant forthwith. Record be sent back.
Serial number 54.
आज आखिरी दिन मोशन स्टेज में फाइनल हियरिंग की अपेक्षा रखते हैं आप? देखिए, as spread this matter in the week commencing 27th of March on pending IA.
Serial number 55.
You have filed? It is already filed. It is yet to be filed. 10 days time to file objection.
Serial number 56.
कितना डिले है? इसमें रिकॉर्ड बुला है. Are you ready on admission? Spread by Shri N. Gupta adjourned for 2 weeks. Next.
Serial number 57. Along with 4 connected cases.
Any objection? Income tax. Linkage 3. Shubham Manchani for the appellant, none for the respondent. As you are appealing for the respondent. For you are creating Vastu dosh in the court. None for the appellant. Shri Shubham Manchani for the on behalf of Junior Standing Counsel, praised for and granted 2 weeks time. Is there any stay in these matters? Prayer allowed. IR bracket में if any shall remain in operation till next date. Junior Standing Counsel on behalf of Junior Standing Counsel. की फाइल सब वापस कर दिया. List along.
Serial number 58.
Common order कर दीजिए. 57 में ना common order कर दीजिए.
Two weeks time will be given to file the reply.
Any objection? We will give them last chance. Still, if he wants him, let him file within 2 weeks as the last chance. The parties to their counsel, Shri Abhijit Shiva, praised for and granted 2 weeks time as the last chance to file response. List on 27th of March.
Serial number 59.
The objection here spread by Shri Rajnimadi, not opposed by applicant. Petitioner adjourned for 2 weeks. List with connected matters.
Serial number 60 along with connected cases.
Mediation is successful, madam. Mediation is successful. Yes, mediation report is successful in 3 cases. Have you engaged counsel? आपने वकील लगाया है? नहीं, बट इसमें मीडिएशन सफल हो गया है क्या?
Yes, sir.
उसके बाद कुछ बचा है इसमें निराकरण के लिए?
The first appeal was filed against the dismissal of the 13B, which is.
अगर मीडिएशन होता है तो नॉर्मली वो सारे पेंडिंग केसेस के बारे में कुछ ना कुछ समझौता होता है, हुआ है क्या
Yes,
इसमें?
sir, हो गया.
तो both of you agree with the mediation report or not?
Yes, sir, yes, sir, yeah, yes, sir.
Can we dispose these cases in terms of settlement arrived at in mediation?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
फिर क्या सुनने की जरूरत है?
सर इसमें एक रिक्वेस्ट है सर, इसमें मेनली एक एफआईआर फाइल होता है अजमेर में, तो जब तक ये डिस्पोजल नहीं हो जाए, सारे केस वापस नहीं लेते तब तक टाइमिंग रखने
इस मैटर
What my opinion is this.
FIR is at whose instance?
Sir, FIR actually it is against the ICICI bank, not against this.
इसमें मीडिएशन रिपोर्ट एक मीडिएशन रिपोर्ट जिस मैटर में होगी.
Export file की क्वालिटी आती है. तो वो बड़ा तेज.
ये क्राइम नंबर 166/21 ही है.
Yes, Lord, sir.
ये समझौता आप लोगों ने कर तो लिया इस विषय में?
Yes, Lord, sir. This FIR lordship, it is in the Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, and that is an investigation status at this point of time. And due to the strike of the advocate, right, we could not, not send this matter. And the matter is listed before the Honorable Court on 22nd of the month. And I will say before the Honorable Court to pass a time of direction and permitted section 13B. And once I will withdraw that matter, I will appear before the Honorable Court and, before the second open statement.
Do you want that this matter should be kept pending?
No, these petitions which are listed today, they can be disposed by.
One matter. One matter. आप लोग चाहते हैं सारे पेंडिंग रखें जब तक आप लोग इस पर इम्प्लीमेंट.
What we submitting or most of the party would withdraw all the cases and file in a. Yeah. And any date might be fixed after 15 days.
What you are saying that it should be kept pending. That is what essentially we are asking you. That prayer means it should be kept pending.
No, actually, the matter which is listed today before the Honorable Court, that can be disposed of in the interest of justice. The matter which is not in the jurisdiction of Madhya Pradesh, right?
That's right. That is right. But suppose the loud thinking is subject to everybody's agreement. If we dispose of these batch of petition by saying that you have amicably settled your dispute before mediation, and you will, all of you will be bound by, will act in accordance with the undertaking given. Will this serve purpose of everybody? And who is appearing for the wife? इसमें ऐसा लिखिए आइटम 60, 60.1, 60.2 and 60.3.
What I mean, first appeal. Yeah,
Appearance you can give.
अपीयरेंस आप लिख के दे दीजिए,
लिख के
फॉर्म
दे
इसमें
दीजिए।
कागज में लिख के दे दीजिए, कागज में लिख के दे दीजिए. आपका शुभ नाम बताइए. श्री हनीश चरोसिया, appellant is present in person. श्री सचिन सर इन केस ये कॉमन ऑर्डर करिएगा ना, आइटम इन सारे में लिखिए. लर्नेड काउंसिल फॉर दी, ऐसा लिखिए श्री चौरसिया, श्री हनी चौरसिया एंड काउंसिल फॉर द पार्टीज jointly submitted that they have amicably resolved their dispute before learned mediator on 14/2/23. These petitions may be disposed of in terms of settlement arrived at before mediator on 14/2/23. The joint prayer is allowed. The petitions are disposed of in terms of conditions mentioned in the mediation report dated 14/2/23. Parties shall act in accordance with their stand/undertaking given before the mediator. The conditions mentioned in the mediation report dated 14/2/23 shall be treated as part of this order. Disposed of.
The petition they forgot to mention CR 957, which is here presented before here.
In all these matters, 60 and connected matters, all connected, these are decided by common order.
NJCR 627/2017, which is not mentioned in the mediation report actually. which is presented today here with the LCR. CR 957 of 2020 was the criminal revision for the domestic violence state.
It is whose case? Who filed that?
Respondent have filed against me.
No, but which is that item number?
CR 957 of 2020.
इसमें common, we have passed common order, including in this
There is
CRR.
a LCR which is connected with it, which is not mentioned, lower court records. NJCR 627 of 2017, which is the main case, domestic violence. That is also taken on the record for the dismissal. The concern is
इसमें इसके बारे में CRR का जो सब्जेक्ट मैटर है उसके बारे में समझौता नहीं किया आप लोगों ने,
इसमें क्या है? CR तो हमारी 637 इनकी है domestic violence.
तो उसके बारे में आपने मीडिएटर के सामने समझौता किया है ना?
तो हमने बोला था उसमें मेंशन नहीं किया था मीडिएशन रिपोर्ट में.
नहीं आया है क्या मीडिएशन? मीडिएशन रिपोर्ट में नहीं आया है क्या?
हाँ, ये तो नहीं एक्चुअली बताना चाह रहे हैं.
This is withdrawn.
Against that order number, the criminal revision is pending.
Yes, but
Now all further proceedings have to be taken before the concerned court.
You can take all the questions.
what is the MJC number?
627 of 2017. This is the 27 of 2017.
देखिए इसमें ये कर देते हैं लास्ट में कि देख अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस एनी अदर मैटर पेंडिंग बिटवीन द पार्टीज शैल बी विड्रॉन बाय रेस्पेक्टिव पार्टी. इसमें कि लास्टली इट इज जॉइंटली प्रेड दैट parties it is jointly agreed that parties shall withdraw any other matter arising out of any other matter pending before each other in any court of law immediately. To the as far as any expeditiously, bus. The petitions are disposed of.
Okay, but next date, I should be coming for debate.
No next date because we have disposed of the cases after your consent.
So, any year, which is planning to have.
No date is, we have disposed of the matters, no matter remains.
You are
pending.
not required to come before this court.
And the first step is we fine for the remitted back to the family versus the remand back.
The records, the consent, the records be sent back to the concerned courts.
All court will be sent back. You have to appear before the concerned court to take further proceedings.
Thank you.
Serial number 61, Shri Manoj Kushwaha.
Why he did not appear? Three. Any objection? Shri Court-12 Singh for the applicant, Shri Manish Kolia for the respondent, with the consent finally heard. This application seeks restoration of FA number 329 of 20, which was dismissed for want of prosecution on 13 February 23. It is submitted that the then counsel could not appear because of some ailment, and an affidavit of the counsel in support is filed. But the other side has no objection. But since justifiable reason is assigned, order dated such and such is recalled, FA number such and such is restored to its original number, a typed copy of order be kept in the record of FA. MCC is disposed of. That will be, that order can be passed in FA. Let that FA come.
Serial number 62, Shri Sankalp Kochar.
Listed today, 21 matters. What is urgent? What is the urgency on the last day? Things will happen during Holi. Okay, as for the paucity of time, list this matter in the week commencing 20th of March. Good.
Serial number 63,
नेक्स्ट में लिखिएगा आइए नंबर सोल एपेलेंट आइए नंबर 4980 इसमें केएल पांडे का प्रेजेंट है। Shri KL Pandey pressed IA number 4980 of 23 for withdrawal of the appeal. Shri KN Gupta, NK Gupta, KN Gupta GA and Shri for R4 have no objection. IA is allowed. Appeal is dismissed as withdrawn. Report be sent back. If not required in any other matter.
Serial number 64.
Send to filing soft copy of the charge sheet along with the indexing and table.
Anil,
So I'll be filing it during the course of this week, madam. I'll keep it after 2 weeks, madam. I'll be preparing.
Shri Madhu Shukla for the respondent praised for and granted 1 week's time to file relevant doc.
Charge sheet in the soft copy.
Charge sheet and the soft copy and
With indexing and hyperlink.
with indexing and hyperlink. But he praised further a week's time for preparation. The other side has no objection. List after 2 weeks. File, nobody prevents you.
Serial number 65.
Yes, sir.
Not even wait for time to find out.
You get right of audience only when you file wakalatnama. Get right of audience only when you file wakalatnama.
Your Lordship, actually, the panel was changed, so Mrs. Rasham has been instructed to appear.
Any objection?
No.
Okay, as prayed by Shri
Shubham Manchani.
Shubham Manchani on behalf of Junior Standing Council adjourned for 2 weeks.
Serial number 66 along with connected case.
Routine matter. Keep it after 2 weeks.
As senior counsel is coming from Jabalpur versus Manor. So I'm saying a fixed date, madam.
Tell us any agreed date.
27th of April, madam. Madam, the due step, madam. I'm just informing the court, madam, that the respondent number, yesterday only I came to know that the respondent number 3 and 4, who were the full-time director, madam, they both are expired, madam.
In which matter? There is no 5914 before us. The first one is 66. Because Shri Rajesh Mediratta for the petitioner, Shri Piyush Tiwari for R5 submits that who died? Respondent number. They are impleted by name.
Yes, madam.
That respondent number 3 and 4 died during the pendency of the petition. This is Mediratta, you examine. Dr. Shri Mediratta may examine and do the needful. As agreed, list this matter in the on 27th of April 27.
Serial number 67.
I am appealing on behalf of the respondent, Dr.
But you are present in person. You are present. दे दीजिए कॉपी दे दीजिए श्री वीसी राय अंडरटेक्स टू सप्लाई कॉपी ऑफ अपील मेमो ऑन एक्सेस एंड आईए टू श्री ऐश्वर्य सोनी साहू during the course of the day. List after 2 weeks by reflecting the name of Shri Aishwarya Sahu in the cause list.
Serial number 68.
Thank you for trying to find it.
Any objection? Any objection? All right, next. After 2 weeks, it will come.
Serial number 69.
As spread by Shri Mandani, adjourned for 2 weeks. This will connected matter.
Serial number 70.
Why it is listed today, madam? Why it is listed today? Taking document on record. In person करने के लिए आप नहीं करेंगे उनकी No, will not permit both of you. Decide either you or your client. You decide. Both of you will not permit both of you to argue.
Kindly replace my senior Dr. Vijayakumar.
Who is your senior advocate?
Sanjay Kumar Prabhati.
Is he senior advocate? Senior advocate has a definite connotation and meaning. Is he senior advocate or your senior? You decided not to answer a specific question in the High Court. You should know what is the meaning of senior advocate and your senior.
My senior.
ये आज रेडी नहीं है, बताइए कोई तारीख बताइए. Will dispose it of cooling period नहीं हुआ इसलिए किया है. Let court reconsider it in the light of recent judgment of Supreme Court. Yes, Mr. Counsel.
Power का चल रहा नाम है सर.
इसीलिए तो आपसे पूछ रहे हैं, आपका पावर है इसीलिए. सर काउंसिल इसीलिए आपसे पूछ रहे हैं क्योंकि आपका पावर है. It is dismissed solely on the ground that it is filed before completion of cooling period.
Why it was denied by the trial court? Come, let her come. ये ट्रायल कोर्ट ने क्यों मना किया आपको डिग्री देने से? ठीक है. Yes.
Or you are not carrying even file?
No, sir.
You are not even carrying the file.
सर सीनियर की तरफ से फाइल नहीं होती है.
Like,
सर क्या करें?
Don't use this kind of comments in the court. You should know how to behave in the court. If you are not carrying file, it's
Number 71 along with connected case.
में लिखेगा श्री Rahul Chaurasia for the petitioner awaiting service on the respondent list after 2 weeks with connected matter.
Serial number 72.
Finding of the matter of
If there is no pressing urgency, we keep it in the opening week, Mr. Osirate. It has spread by two, written not approved by other side, placed in the week commencing 13th March.
Serial number 73. Shri S.K. Singh.
None for the appellant, P. N. Gupta for AG for the state, heard on IA number 4921 of 23, seeking withdrawal of appeal is taken up, which is an application filed by appellant through jail authorities, Central Jail, Riva. In absence of opposition, IA is allowed, appeal is dismissed as withdrawn. नहीं, this appeal ना ये सिर्फ एक जन के लिए है, appellant number 1 के लिए लिखिए. If ना for appellant, the appeal shall continue for remaining appellant. Name of registry shall delete the name of appellant number 1 from array of parties. But let a copy of this order be sent to appellant number 1 forthwith.
Serial number 74.
So, their mind difficulty. He has appointment at 11 saying that it may get at 2:15.
Well, keep it on. No, but can we hear it on 13th, opening day?
You know, it's a very urgent matter because they have issued me a notice and gate was fixed on 28th. This assessment is getting time bound on 20th of March.
We will keep it on 13th.
No, mistakenly granted, then
No,
anything.
but on 13th, what irreparable loss will be caused to you?
You know, by that time, this is not the party organized. Because they
That order will also remain subject to final outcome. You see, because today we have miscellaneous benches, it's difficult to say we will be able to assemble again. What will happen till 13? That is it.
Like, this is the strongest case I can have. We are charging to tax the amount which I have advanced. No, the demand of no, they want to get conviction.
Why don't you maintain status during holy? What action? No coercive action. Don't take any coercive action during these 5-6 days. What events will not fall.
You have to only praying that it may be kept at 2:15, so it will be.
Mr. Counsel, on Friday we have miscellaneous benches. We don't know what will be the composition, where my brother will be in which bench. On Friday, it is very difficult to accommodate you. Had it been just a minute. What if you don't take coercive action for 7 days? What events will not fall? We'll decide on 13th.
In that case, I'll submit just one point. I have a judgment of the Supreme Court on merits. Doctor, in that matter, this was said that this is a case of reopening notice. Because if you have the section.
You brought or you only drop a citation.
Look, that case is not applicable in this case because that relates to the notice issued before 21st March. In my case, the notice has been issued after 21st March under the new scheme. So that case has absolutely no relevance.
Which is that order under challenge?
It is filed in the reply to the reply to the amendment application, my lord. The document number would be 19614 of 20.
This amendment has been allowed.
Yes.
Amendment has been made. You have not incorporated the amendment.
No file is indicated.
Amended petition.
Amendment petition has been filed.
And the notice has been adopted without approval of the principal commission.
You have already filed a reply to stay application.
Yes, Your Lordship. We are filing the reply to stay application as well.
अभी क्या कोर्स से हो जाएगा आपके खिलाफ पीछे में वो भी all right, we'll consider your interim prayer. Mr. Purohit. No, we'll consider your prayer. We have seen the stay application and your reply.
Yes, sir. Your under point of law, then on 47 section reads, if income chargeable to tax escaping asset. This case is not income law. It is refund of loan.
You have seen para 4 of their reply to show cause, the reply to stay application.
Yes, my lord, that para 4 plot, the judgment which they have quoted.
No, they have not quoted any judgment. Kindly see para 4 of their reply to stay application.
Just a bit.
Kindly see, if we record this undertaking, this itself is sufficient that they will not pass any order without hearing you. अभी तो उन्होंने कोई hearing की डेट ही नहीं लगाई है.
They have again,
We have again filed in the stay application.
Right, but whether this para 4 will again be applicable even if notice is issued, that is also a notice under 142.
1 minute.
That is also a notice under section 142. And they say that 142 will not act upon unless we hear you.
Yes. Yes, sir. Para 4 they have said that during the pendency of the petition before the respondent has initiated the subject proceeding subsection 1 of section 142 of the income tax act. By sending a notice under the above mentioned.
No, are you here? No, this is Mr. Purohit. You are reading something else. Reply to the stay application dated 22/11/22.
Only collecting the details and information required for assessment in the case of this. This is the initial notice. The continuity which is given to the assessee and the assessee will file the reply to the authorities before finalizing the assessment. Now they have given me the notice finalizing the assessment.
So when you were directed to appear,
Along with my stay application.
when you were directed to appear and file reply,
We have filed on 28th of February.
no, but what is the date given by them?
28th of the February was the date given.
And you have filed reply.
Reply a lot, but they will now pass an expunged order, so that will consider my writ petition.
Already. We will consider this aspect. Just a minute, let him complete. Anything else, Mr. Purohit? Anything else, Mr. Purohit? Then anything else apart from this? That after this, they have already issued a notice and you have already filed a reply. We will consider this question on the, while considering the interim prayer. Yes.
Richard, they may read all these questions and objection to the proceeding before the assessment officer was.
But are you giving them a date of hearing?
Yes,
Or,
sir.
or on the basis of reply, or only you will pass the order?
Your Worship, an opportunity will be given as given in the staff statement in the affidavit.
You will give a date of hearing.
Yes, sir.
Can we record your statement?
Your Worship, it is there in the affidavit that it is given.
So we'll record that.
Yes, sir.
Shri Purohit Senior Counsel with MS.
You will be noticed that they have issued the case on 20th February. They have said if I don't produce the stay from the court, they will proceed to make the assessment. I just point
We'll record his statement and his affidavit that they will, without giving you opportunity of hearing, they will not do it.
This is the opportunity of hearing, because now it is.
We have asked him a question that you will do solely on the basis of reply or you will give him opportunity of hearing. He said he will give him opportunity of hearing. We'll record that statement and keep it on 13th.
The statement may be recorded.
That is what we are precisely doing, Mr. Shri such and such for the senior counsel with the Purohit senior counsel with MS for the petitioner, Shri such and such for the state. Learned counsel for petitioner submits that which is that notice जिसका आपने reply दिया 28 को.
It is enforced by application.
नहीं आइए number. What is the order date? Notice dated. Notice dated.
Notice dated is not.
Wise though.
This is notice is dated 19. Okay. It's